following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Paulding, and Wert. Strong thunderstorms will impact Putnam, southeastern Defiance, southeastern Paulding, southeastern Henry, northeastern Wert, and Allen counties through 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Paulding to near Kalida to near Elida to near Cridersville. Movement was east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty wind could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Lima, Delphos, Ottawa, Bluffton, Fort Shawnee, Spencerville, Columbus Grove, Leipzig, Elida, Daschler, Kalida, Continental, Pandora, Hallgate, Glandorf, Otoville, Spencerville in Allen County, Handler, Middle Point, and Cairo. This includes Interstate 75 between mile markers 119 and 141. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office in northern Indiana.